With the rise of automation and AI in recent years, the field of data analytics has seen considerable developments. As a result, several experts and prospective data analysts have expressed doubts regarding the viability of pursuing jobs in data analytics and the overall value of studying the field. In this video, I'll be covering AI's role in data analytics and the future of data analytics careers, including 4 key points that will give you a deeper understanding of where the field is heading. And I'll conclude with my key take on this subject.
When you are dealing with figures like these, it's one thing. But when you are counting the population like this, it's quite a different matter. These cards are passed over sorting machines, each of which handles 22,000 cards a minute.
There are hundreds of items of food. All these, in a varying quantity each day, are delivered to a precise timetable to the tea shops. Each manageress has a standing order depending on the day of the week. She speaks by telephone to head office, where her variations are taken directly onto cards. What the girl hears, she punches. The program is fed first, laying down the sequence for the multiplicity of calculations Leo will perform.
As you can see, data analytics is an old science that has been around since the dawn of time to provide insights and to help in making informed decisions. I'm Anas, a master's degree holder and a data enthusiast. Welcome to X Analytica, and I hope you enjoyed this video. The discipline of data analytics has undergone a revolution with the arrival of AI. Data analysts' abilities have been improved by AI-powered technologies like Microsoft Agents and GitHub Copilot, which automate repetitive and routine tasks like data cleansing and basic exploratory analysis. This frees up data analysts to concentrate more on complex and creative projects that call for a deeper comprehension of the industry and the capacity to analyze outcomes. Automation has made data analytics more efficient in some areas, but it's not likely to completely replace the need for human analysts. The need for qualified data analysts is still great because many businesses still have trouble using their data efficiently. And according to a report made by the World Economic Forum, it shows an increase in demand by 30 to 35% for data analysts and data science, which is equivalent to 1.4 million jobs needed. Analysts that are able to link different sources of data, draw insightful conclusions, and provide useful recommendations for companies will remain highly valued resources. For professions in data analytics, automation will provide advantages and disadvantages. AI tools, on the other hand, relieve analysts of repetitive tasks, freeing them up to concentrate on more creative and strategic elements of their job. However, positions that require more data cleansing and data entry will be less common in the future. It's yet unclear how automation will ultimately affect the demand for data analysts and the availability of jobs. And according to the World Economic Forum, approximately 50% of tasks will be automated within the next 5 years. AI and human analysts working together is the key to the future of data analytics. Although AI can accomplish certain tasks with greater accuracy and efficiency, human analysts provide subject matter expertise and domain knowledge. By utilizing AI technologies and collaborating with them, analysts can enhance their work efficiency and produce more insightful and significant outcomes. Expertise in the field is essential for data analysts in a world where data is used more and more. Proficiency in comprehending business context, managing data restrictions, and effectively conveying findings to stakeholders are highly esteemed competencies. Even in fields unrelated to data analytics, analysts with great domain knowledge can use their own viewpoints to offer value and have a big impact. In spite of worries of automation in data analytics, there are many chances for beginners who've just started out. Many businesses, particularly smaller ones, still haven't figured out how to use AI technology to their full potential or fully exploit their data. Furthermore, new problems that call for human judgment and skill come about by the changing environment of data legislation and ethical issues. A competitive advantage that newcomers could have in data analytics is the combination of technical skills and expertise in the field. In conclusion, considering how quickly the industry is developing, learning data analytics is still worthwhile. The tasks and responsibilities related to data analytics may change or alter due to automation and AI. But those technologies will also open doors to professionals who want to collaborate in the realm of data analytics. Domain knowledge, contextual awareness, and the capacity to provide actionable insights will continue to be extremely valuable assets. With an AI-powered future, is it still worthy to learn data analytics and the skills related to it? And the answer is yes, by remaining flexible, increasing your subject matter expertise, increasing your domain knowledge, and lastly, by increasing and enhancing your technical skills. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please click on the thumbs up and subscribe to Analytica for more related content in the future. And please comment down below, what do you think is the future of data analytics in a future filled with AI and automation?